pressure with my thumb. That's all I can do. It's not the full intensity of it either. Oh, and the stupid sun's gonna ruin it. That was close to the screen.
No, it wasn't. It was up by that tree.
That one was close.
Yep.
Yeah, now I don't want to go back outside because now I'm thinking about that movie.
Chris, you're supposed to be over here.
What?
You're on this side.
I'm on that side?
Or scooter chair over.
Yes, please. Holy cats. Can I like shut the screen? The glass door?
Chris, no, just leave it. If they crash into the screen, who cares?
What?
Something to laugh about. I might go buy a new screen.
We need a new screen anyway.
Oh,
no, what I'm thinking about is that movie. Now it's stuck in my head.
oh, just get over it, chair. Right. Mom's right next to me. This chair. And then Mary's where Christopher is. Do I flip one over? I forgot.
No, not in this game.